Hello there, my name is Lynn Allen, and I have spent over 30 years in the CAD world, most of them in AutoCAD. In fact, I may have met some of you in my many visits to the Netherlands talking about AutoCAD. I've written 3 books on AutoCAD, I've published hundreds of AutoCAD videos, and I can certainly relate to you as AutoCAD users. And I hear you are considering making the move from AutoCAD to DraftSight. Well, I can assure you that DraftSight is a best-in-class 2D CAD solution. To support Damen's ambition of becoming the most sustainable and digital shipbuilders in the world, we recognize your need to have the best tools possible to drive and navigate your business growth. 2D CAD is an important part of your business and the key functionality to create and edit and view and mark up any 2D or 3D DWG file. I mean, it definitely enhances the possibilities that you can provide to your clients. And we understand that Damen, you, aim to develop advanced concepts faster while still ensuring quality by utilizing the innovation of your design teams. And we want to support your goals to provide solutions that benefit your customers and the planet. Damen sets the standard for innovation and building the best vessels in the world. DraftSight is a best-in-class 2D CAD software solution. We're a great match. And incidentally, millions of users around the world trust DraftSight for their design needs. It is packed with many powerful time-saving tools that you're not going to find anywhere else, and a robust API to accelerate your design projects. And the best part, with its familiar interface, it's easy to make the switch from AutoCAD to DraftSight. We are here to support the opportunity of implementing DraftSight within your organization, to build upon your legacy drawings and data, and to enhance your design capabilities and aid future collaboration. For further information on making the switch from AutoCAD to DraftSight, please read our ebook on all you need to know to be productive and transition quickly. I hope to visit you in person one day, and thank you very much for your time.